Hello viewers, welcome to a presentation by Amit Kumar Prasad from JNV Manpur on the topic Great Science Invention. Let's start. Number 1. The invention of microscope. Do you know the transmission electron microscope, which is known as TEM, has magnifying power of more than 1 million times? Justus Janssen and his father Hans. Sometime about year 1592, Dutch spectacle makers Justus Janssen and his father Hans started experimenting with these lenses. They put several lenses in a tube and made a very important discovery. The object near the end of the tube appeared to be greatly enlarged, much larger than any simple magnifying glass could achieve by itself. Then they just invented the compound microscope, which is a microscope that uses two or more lenses. Why the invention of microscope is important? The invention of microscope allowed scientists to see cells, bacteria and many other structures that are too small to be seen with the unaided eyes. It gave them a direct view into the unseen world of extremely tiny. Microscopes have opened up a whole new dimension in science. By using microscopes, scientists were able to discover the existence of microorganisms, study of the structure of cells, and see the smallest part of plants, animals, and fungi. Number 2. The invention of watch. Do you know wristwatches were actually first designed for women? The first woman to wear a wristwatch was Elizabeth I. Peter Henlein, a clockmaker from Nuremberg named Peter Henlein, is typically credited with inventing the very first watch. He created one of these clock watches in 15th century. Peter Henlein became known as maker of small, portable, ornamental, spring-powered brass clocks, very rare and expensive, which were fashionable among the nobility of the time, worn as pendants or attached to clothing, which can be considered for the first watches. Why the invention of watch is important? There is no doubt that without time life is meaningless. For recording memories and telling us the time, the watches are the instruments that we need handy. From being a fashion statement to being the best friend in times of waiting for a friend, family, colleague, patiently, they are all we need. Watches can be a true confidence booster item on the wrist provided you buy the right ones. Number 3. The invention of battery. Do you know batteries have their own national day, celebrated every year on February 18th? Alessandro Volta. The Italian physicist Alessandro Volta is generally credited with having developed the first operable battery, following up on the earlier work of his compatriot Luigi Galvani. Volta performed a series of experiments on electrochemical phenomena during the 1790s. Why the invention of battery is important? Batteries play numerous important roles in everyday life, from providing the initial power needed to start the engines of cars to acting as a backup source of electricity in telecommunications, public transportation, and medical procedures. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. By Amit Kumar Prasad, Class 10A from JNV Manpur.